Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect up your DualSense controller, your PlayStation 5 controller, to your Samsung TV to play Xbox games. So you will need an Xbox membership for this, but if you have one and for whatever reason you want to use a PlayStation 5 controller, then you can do that for Xbox games. So we're going to go into the gaming side of the Samsung TV using a remote control. If we go up here to game, and then we're going to work our way down to Xbox. Now, if you've never connected before, it will give you an option to connect up a controller. But if you have previously in the past, then there's no problem. We can just go to the icon on the top right-hand side. Okay, if we work our way up to the controller on the top right-hand side there, you can see that it's got a no entry sign on it. So it means it's disconnected. So go to that icon there and enter into it. And it says connect my controller. So enter. And it's asking what we have: Xbox, PlayStation, Amazon or other controller. And you can see it says DualSense there, so you're allowed to do this. And go to enter, and we're going to go to pair with TV, and it's showing us what buttons to hit. So I'm going to go pair with TV, and then I'm going to grab the controller. And what we have to do is we have to hit this button and this button at the same time. It's much easier because the controller is off to just hold that button down and then hold this button down. Because if you do this one first, the pairing isn't going to work. So I'm holding this one down, and now I'm going to hold down the PlayStation button here. And you will see it will start strobing after about 3 or 4 seconds. There we go. It's now strobing. That is now in pairing mode. So we're going to get our remote control here, and we're going to go to controllers. And it's going to now go to pair devices. If you can't see it, don't worry, just go up or down, because for example, you might have a soundbar connected like me and it won't show this here. So move up and down and you will see wireless controller. Go to enter, go to pair and connect, so enter that, and then it's going to connect. This will go to solid blue in a few seconds. There we go, it's now solid blue. This is now connected, so we can put the remote control down and you can use this. I highly recommend you do look at the tutorial, but we're going to go to close again. And now that is it. Your controller is now connected. So your controller is paired. It tells you there. So from now on, every time you go onto gaming, you can just turn this on and it will just connect straight away. You just have to do this the first time. So you can see now that we are connected here. Let me show you a little bit of gameplay. Now, obviously, the buttons here are not going to match the Xbox ones. So when it says A on here, it actually means X here, because you need to imagine this as an Xbox controller because you're playing an Xbox game. And there we go. You're going to have full analog control. So, for example, I can go slowly. And I can go fast. And you're still going to be able to feel the controller vibrate and stuff. It's going to feel a little bit different than an Xbox one. And that's it, and you can see there. So it's going to work just fine. So that's it. That's how to connect up your PlayStation 5 controller on your Samsung TV to play an Xbox game. Thanks for watching.